How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have an updated version of WhatsApp application. So simply tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. As you do that, you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So simply go back and launch the settings application. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on apps. Select on manage apps and search for WhatsApp. As you type in WhatsApp application, you will be able to see the app pop up at the bottom. So you can simply just search for it and wait for a few seconds. So tap on the application and here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on it. Clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch the WhatsApp application. Also, what you can simply do is check on your app permissions and then make sure you have given access to microphone over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.